Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? In this session, we will discuss how we can do the comparative analysis between two different days. Means um, we have shown you that when you make a change in the first column, it offers you the ending dates. So that is always a contingent pattern in which uh, the dates are one plus the date we use select, okay, and so on, right? Maybe 10 days, 20 days, all are plotted towards the right. So this is the blank area, and this is used to get the columns for your desired dates. But what if you want the 1st of January to be compared with 1st of February, right? So for this, the process is that you select the 1st of January first, okay? Or any 2 days you can use. So for the example, we are using it for the 1st of January is now to be compared with the 1st of January. Yes. Okay. First of all, since we have to compare only 2 days, so it will take only 1st of January, and then yeah, if you want to compare it with the uh, 2nd of January, first of January is to be compared with the 1st of February, for example. Okay, so what we do here is that we write 1st of February in here. Okay, here we will write 1st of February. Okay, let's make it 1st of February. Yeah, this is okay. So this is 1st of February. Okay, as soon as you do this, so it automatically gets you the results. Let's check if this is equal to 73. Yeah, this is 73. So this is verified. So two different dates, non-continuous, which are scattered, can be compared um, together. Okay. First, you use one date, that is 1st of January, and then you come to the blank column, the first immediate place available, and put your second date which you want to compare. Okay. If you have a third date as well, you can do that. Okay. So, for example, you want 22nd of February now. Okay. So the 22nd of February is here. Okay. So this is 22nd of February. Let's check. This is 37 exactly. Okay. So it gives you the opportunity if you want, if uh, to take to analyze keeping the different dates, not necessarily be kind in a continuous manner, scattered manner. 1st of January, 1st of February, and 22nd of February. So all side by side, and then you can. Now you want to remove the blanks which is in the total, right? So you can do that so that you have the actual data and you remove those data which are now there is no filter at the moment. To bring the filter back, the quickest way is that you leave this sheet and come back to this sheet again. So a message will come, it's not on, and now it will click OK. Okay, then you will have the filter in here. So in here, you can remove the zeros from it. So you can have now uh, 35 pertinent videos, which uh, had the views in these 3 days. Okay? Even if one view is there, then it will be shown. This is how it is uh, formed for you, and you can use your analytics and make necessary decisions about your channel. Also, we have added a new thing, as you can see, that is weekday analysis. Okay, and this start button is to get you all the files which you have so far downloaded onto this sheet. This will populate this worksheet with all the set and will put all the formula, that is day of week, on this on the basis of this column. The weekday analysis report is created. So the weekday is calculated by using the weekday function of Excel, and then the date function. The date gets you uh, the first of all, it converts the date into the date value, right? Converts this, it converts the string, yeah. First of all, taking the left 4 for the year, mid 2 for the month, and right 2 for the day. And these all are and so that you have a proper date sequence. When you have this date serial in the function, Excel will be able to give you the weekday, right? So weekday 4 means Wednesday, and weekday 7 means uh, Saturday, right? Weekday 1 means the Sunday, right? So so this is done automatically. As soon as you click start, even if you somehow you remove this, if you click the start, this formula will come again, so that you can um, utilize this function of our system, that is weekday analysis. It tells you how many views were obtained, came on the Sunday, and how many dollars revenue you is expected from these views, and how much watch time hours is it. So Thursday is the highest in views so far. Okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.